Getting started. To get into the Accreditation Online System, or AOS, you will log in via Okta, the single sign-on platform used to access several CSBS systems. Simply click on the Accreditation tile to get to the home page. In AOS, there are two different roles for agency users: the point of contact, or POC, and the user. The agency POC manages agency users, assigns out sections to the users, and submits the SEQ. The POC is able to do anything the user is able to do in the system. The agency user is able to access any section or topic of the SEQ to assist in completion. We are currently logged in as the agency POC for the state of North Dakota. If there is any information CSBS needs to share with you, you will see it in the announcement section of your homepage. If you are a POC, you will see the option to create or update AOS users. If you have access to the Accreditation Annual Review or the profile systems, you will see these buttons. Below Available Actions, you will see the resources available to you. This could include user guides, help documents, or other information to assist you in the accreditation process. On the right-hand side is where you see the open review records for your agency. These are the SEQs you are currently working on. They are in pending agency submission status. A review will be scheduled for your state. Once the review is scheduled, the SEQ will be sent to your agency and the POC will be notified. The SEQ will then be visible on the homepage by all users. Here you can see when the on-site review date is scheduled, as well as a due date for the SEQ, which is 45 days prior to the on-site review. Note, anyone you set up in the system has access to any SEQs that are open for your agency. You will also be able to see any completed records for your agency. For those who have completed an accreditation in Salesforce, all of the answers in your SEQ will be migrated over to AOS. To view what the SEQ looks like, open the record. Let's open the bank and MSB record. This page allows you to see where you are in the progress of completing the questionnaire. The percentage shows how many topics overall have been completed in the entire SEQ. This is an SEQ that is at 0% complete since we have not started working on it yet. You will see a table with a list of sections applicable to your accreditation review. This table includes the assignee, who last modified the section, when they modified it, and the number of topics completed for that section. At the bottom of the page, you will see the same agency resources that were available to you on the home page. Let's open up Section 1 of the SEQ by selecting the arrow next to Section 1. Here is a list of topics associated with Section 1. The status column will show which topics have been completed. In order to close this section, let's click the section arrow again. You have the option to print different sections of the SEQ by clicking on a print icon. Let's click the print icon next to Section 1. This will present a read-only version of the SEQ with all information entered to date for all topics within that section. To print it, use your browser printing capabilities, for example, Ctrl+P. This allows you to print it or save it as a PDF. Let's return to the Summary page by selecting the Summary tab in the top left corner. This concludes the Getting Started video.